Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log elements you have added to your Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram, and first of all, I'm going to create story. I'm going to click on your story and I'm going to select a photo from my gallery. For example, I'm going to choose this photo. Okay, and if we want to log element, we need to add more than one element to our Instagram story. For the first element, I'm just going to add a sticker. I'm going to add this one, and I'm going to add tags as well to my Instagram story like this. And you can click on done, and if you want to log it, you can tap and hold on the tags or the sticker you have added. Then you can click on this log icon. Okay, and after the element has been logged, we won't be able to move it, as you can see. And I'm going to log this element as well. Click on the log icon. Oops, click on it. All right, now all my elements cannot be moved. Alright guys, and that's all the way to log elements we have added to Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.